For the factory settings, there's no fingerprints and password is 1, 2, 3, 4. So any fingerprint can open the knob. Very simple passwords 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we have the logs, first list, we need to trace the codes and also add the fingerprints. For the settings, the most important thing is to change the password first. Otherwise, lost for the operations for the settings. So we need to pass the pen sign until the orange light on. Enter the password 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 1 pen sign is for change the add fingerprints or password, and the number 001 we need to change first list. Twice. Now the master code change. We need to change the number ones, 00 number ones first. This is the master code. Now we can take a text. So the old passwords cannot work. We need to use the new one. After change the number ones codes, we can add the master fingerprints or master code. The number is from 001 to 010. So we can take a try. One pen sign, and we need to add the number 2, 00 number 2, and then add the fingerprint twice. Now the green light on, so we add the fingerprints. Can take a try. After the fingerprints add now, so you will see that the unvalid fingerprints cannot open the door anymore. We can also add the master code or master fingerprints again. Same operation. Pen sign until the orange light on. Enter the master code or master fingerprint, and then 1 pen sign and the series number 3. So we can add another master code twice. Okay, difference. So the red light on. So we can try it again. And number 3. Enter the code must be stamped when enters for the 2 times. So we can check that there's now the master fingerprints and 2 master code. So we can also add the user fingerprints and user passwords. The number codes for the user codes and the user fingerprint is from 011 to 050. So we can take a try. We can add the fingerprint 3 times, and then we can add the user's code. So there's user codes and user fingerprints. So next we can talk about how to change the modes and fingerprints and password to open the node. So we pass the print size until the orange light. Please make sure when to enter the settings menu, we cannot use the user code or user fingerprints, only the master codes and master fingerprint. So you can take the master codes or fingerprint. And then number 3, pan size 1 pan size. Now the nodes need the fingerprints and password to open. We need to use the fingerprint. So the orange light on, so we need to enter the password too. Now the nodes open. Also, when we enter the password, it needs a fingerprint. It can be a master codes, master fingerprints, or user fingerprint, user code. So now we use the user code, user. So it's also available.